introduced the Vertical Aerospace VA2X, a test model from British company Vertical Aerospace, showcases innovations for their upcoming passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, the VA1X. With space for one pilot and an observer, the VA2X's key features include a range of up to 50 miles, a cruise speed of 50 miles per hour, and 4 electric motors powered by lithium-ion batteries for vertical takeoffs and landings. Unique aspects encompass a smart cooling system utilizing propeller-generated air, customizable design options, and a lightweight carbon fiber construction for enhanced payload and aerodynamics. Despite no longer being actively developed, the VA2X successfully paved the way for the VA1X, anticipated to serve passengers with a pilot, covering 100 miles at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour by 2025. Boom Supersonic, founded in 2014 by Blake Scholl and Josh Kroll, is on a mission to revolutionize air travel. Their flagship, the Overture, aims to be a game-changer, faster, quieter, and more sustainable than previous supersonic jets like the Concorde. With a cruising speed of Mach 1.7, twice that of regular planes, the Overture could cut travel time significantly. A flight from New York to Los Angeles could take just 3.5 hours. Boom Supersonic has made strides, completing successful tests with the XB-1 supersonic demonstrator, a precursor to the Overture. Despite facing technical, regulatory, and cost challenges, Boom Supersonic has secured orders for over 300 Overture aircraft from major airlines like United, Japan Airlines, and Virgin Atlantic. Their vision is to make the world more accessible through supersonic travel, connecting people and expanding horizons. The Sky OV, a visionary supersonic aircraft concept by designer Oscar Vinyls, aspires to redefine air travel. Short for Sky Overture, it envisions unprecedented features, surpassing Mach 2 speeds, an opulent modular cabin with private bedrooms, and avant-garde bladeless turbojet and pulse detonation engines. Exploring hydrogen fuel for sustainability, the design is in the early phase, awaiting development and testing. Challenges abound, requiring breakthroughs in efficient supersonic flight and substantial funding. Aesthetically resembling a futuristic spacecraft, its focus on luxury distinguishes it from other supersonic concepts. While still uncertain on its journey to reality, the Sky OV stimulates innovation and discussions in the realm of supersonic travel. The Bell Nexus 8EX, a fantastic electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft in the making by Bell Textron, aims to revolutionize urban air mobility. Designed for both passengers and cargo, this aircraft packs some exciting features, carrying up to 8 passengers or 2,200 pounds of cargo, a range of 400 miles, and a speedy cruise at 175 miles per hour. It runs on a hybrid electric system with 2 Rolls-Royce AE300 turboshaft engines and 4 Magni X Magni 550 electric motors. The standout tiltrotor design allows the engines to pivot, offering efficiency for both city travel and cruising. Currently in the prototype stage, with the first flight expected in 2024, the Bell Nexus 8EX plans to start commercial deliveries in the mid to late 2020s, promising to transform urban transportation and cargo delivery. However, challenges in certification, infrastructure, and public acceptance need addressing before widespread adoption becomes a reality. In 2018, at Stratolaunch, there was talk about something called Black Ice as a possible idea for a spaceplane that could launch from their big carrier aircraft called Rock. This spaceplane, similar to the Space Shuttle, would go up in the air from Rock, giving the advantage of flexibility in where it could launch. However, it didn't become an official program, and we haven't heard much about it since. We don't know all the details, like how big it would be or how it would work, because it wasn't an official thing. Right now, Stratolaunch is more focused on their Talon A hypersonic testbed, which had its first successful flight in 2023. While Black Ice isn't happening now, it might inspire new ideas for spaceplanes or launches in the future. The company is always changing and trying new things, so who knows what could happen next. Absolutely, the Rolls-Royce Excel is more than just an idea, it's an ongoing project with the goal of making history. Excel, short for Airspace Collaboration Challenge for Electric Flight, is a collaboration between Rolls-Royce, Electroflight, and other partners. The mission? To create and test the world's fastest all-electric aircraft, breaking speed records and pushing the boundaries of eco-friendly aviation. Key features include a powerful electric motor and battery system, aiming to hit speeds over 300 miles per hour. The aircraft, named Spirit of Innovation, successfully took its first flight in September 2022, marking a major achievement. Ongoing test flights are refining performance, with plans for a record-breaking attempt in 2024. The Excel project showcases the potential of electric flight, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable aviation future. While facing challenges like battery technology and regulations, Excel represents a big leap forward in high-speed electric aircraft development. 40-seater eVTOL aircraft Kelakona's Skybus is a big idea in the world of electric flying machines, standing out with its plan for a 40-passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Unlike many others in the field focusing on air taxis, the Skybus targets mass transportation. It boasts impressive features, with a huge capacity for passengers or cargo, a goal of high-speed intercity routes, and a unique design resembling a chunky blimp. The colossal 3.6 megawatt-hour battery promises long-distance travel, and its vertical takeoff and landing capability is powered by 4 sets of duct fans. Still in the early design phase, the Skybus faces challenges, including aerodynamic issues and the need for funding. While a captivating concept, its path to transforming mass air travel is uncertain, pending successful navigation through these obstacles. Rolls-Royce's eVTOL concept, introduced in 2018, was a captivating vision for a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. Although it's not actively in progress, the proposal brought forth significant insights and technological strides. Key features included a hybrid electric propulsion system, accommodating 4 to 5 passengers or cargo, a remarkable 500-mile range, and a cruising speed of 250 miles per hour. Its M250-based hybrid propulsion system delivered 500 kilowatts of electrical power and a high-energy density battery aided climb and acceleration. The design's flexibility allowed for various applications, featuring tilting wings for seamless transitions between vertical and horizontal flight. While the project has been discontinued, Rolls-Royce's focus on advancing eVTOL technologies demonstrates its enduring impact on the future of sustainable and innovative electric vertical flight solutions. The blended wing and flying V terms are sometimes used interchangeably, but they differ slightly. Blended wing body, BWB, is a broad term for aircraft where the fuselage and wings smoothly blend, creating a unified lifting surface. The flying V is a specific BWB design featuring a V-shaped fuselage, offering advantages like reduced drag, increased lift, and a spacious cabin. However, challenges include stability issues during crosswinds, aerodynamic complexities, and potential modifications needed for airport compatibility. Companies like KLM, collaborating with Delft University, are developing a passenger flying V for the 2040s, while Nautilus works on a cargo version with a 6,600-mile range. NASA has also explored flying V designs. Despite its promising potential, technical and regulatory hurdles must be addressed before these aircraft become a reality. NASA's Stark ABL, short for single-aisle turboelectric aircraft with aft boundary layer propulsion, is like a cool idea for a super eco-friendly airplane. Instead of regular jet engines, it uses electric motors powered by gas turbines, which makes it use fuel better and produce fewer yucky emissions. One special thing it does is called boundary layer ingestion, BLI, where a fan at the back sucks in the slow air around the plane and turns it into power, making the plane smoother and even more fuel efficient. The Stark ABL also looks different with its slim body and fancy wings. It's like a superhero plane for the environment. But there are some challenges, like the technology being not fully ready. It might cost more, and they need to figure out some new rules. Right now, NASA is still figuring everything out, but it's a step towards making planes that are good for the Earth. The Aeromobile 5.0, a visionary flying car concept by Slovakian company Aeromobile, seamlessly combines car and plane features. With space for 4 passengers and a pilot, it boasts a 700-mile range at speeds of 250 miles per hour, using 2 electric motors powered by lithium-ion batteries. The unique vertical takeoff and landing capability, like a helicopter, is complemented by a hybrid design, employing electric motors for takeoff and landing and a piston engine for cruising. It's road legal with headlights and turn signals. Currently in the prototype phase, Aeromobile aims for commercial release in 2025, promising potential benefits like door-to-door transportation and reduced traffic congestion. However, safety, regulations, and high costs pose significant challenges for this promising yet complex transportation concept. The Boeing Phantom Express XS-1 wasn't just an idea, it was a real project that Boeing and DARPA worked on from 2013 to 2020. They aimed to create a reusable, unmanned spaceplane to quickly and affordably launch small satellites into space. The design included a vertical takeoff and horizontal landing setup, a special reusable engine, and a way to send satellites into orbit. They wanted it to launch 10 times in 10 days, costing around $5 million each time and working on its own without people. Sadly, the project stopped in 2020 because of tough technical challenges, higher costs than expected, and changes in DARPA's plans. Even though it didn't happen, the Phantom Express XS-1 taught us a lot about reusable space tech. Your curiosity about the Airbus Maverick is well placed. This cutting-edge aircraft concept holds immense potential to reshape air travel. With its unique blended wing body, BWB, design, seamlessly integrating the fuselage and wings, the Maverick promises enhanced aerodynamic efficiency. Its hybrid electric propulsion, combining a gas turbine engine with electric motors, signifies a leap towards greater fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Featuring variable buoyancy lift, VBL, and a tilting propeller configuration, the Maverick achieves impressive payload capacity, vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capabilities, and efficient horizontal cruising. The aircraft's versatility spans passenger transport, cargo delivery, sustainable urban air mobility, and disaster relief. Since its maiden flight in 2019, ongoing development and Airbus's feasibility studies aim to pioneer an eco-friendly and efficient aviation era in the next 10 to 20 years. The success of the Airbus Maverick holds the promise of transformative progress in aviation technology.